What is the LSAT? The law school admission test, known by its acronym, the LSAT, is a standardized test that has been an integral part of law school admissions in the United States of America and Canada from its inception in 1948, with the current form in use since 1991. The LSAT has been designed to test the intellectual skills deemed appropriate for success at law school. Those intellectual skills include reading comprehension, analytical reasoning, logical reasoning, and writing ability. Law schools consider an applicant's LSAT score along with other factors in an applicant's law school submission, including their GPA, transcripts, letters of recommendation, and their personal statement. Given the disparity between different post-secondary institutions with respect to grading, law school admissions can place considerable weight upon an applicant's LSAT score, such that it might confer equal or greater weight to that of the applicant's undergraduate GPA. Raw scores are converted to a scaled score with a high of 180, a low of 120, and a median score around 150. When an applicant applies to a law school, all LSAT scores from the past 5 years are reported, and either the highest score or an average of scores is used. The LSAT is broken down into 4 areas, together with an unscored experimental section, with the experimental section serving to develop and test questions for future versions of the LSAT. The 3 scored areas of the LSAT are presented as multiple choice questions, which test reading comprehension, analytical reasoning, and logical reasoning questions. As of August 2021, the LSAT Admission Council that administers the LSAT shifted from 2 scored logical reasoning sections to a single scored logical reasoning section. They are undertaken in a single sitting of approximately 3 hours together with the experimental section. The writing sample or essay is undertaken separately, and although unscored, is also submitted to prospective law schools as part of the admissions process. The reading comprehension section consists of approximately 27 multiple choice questions to be completed in 35 minutes, consisting of 4 separate passages, with 3 of those passages being from a single author, and the 4th being a combination of passages from 2 different sources discussing the same topic. The reading comprehension section is intended to test the applicant's ability to draw inferences based on the provided text, ascertain the core ideas in the passages, identify relevant information from those passages, and demonstrate an innate ability to understand a dense scholarly text. The logical reasoning section, also known as arguments, consists of approximately 24 to 26 multiple choice questions requiring completion in 35 minutes. The logical reasoning section tests the applicant's ability to determine the main points of an argument, apply logic to abstract concepts, find relevant information within a condensed piece of text, and analyze and evaluate arguments. The analytical reasoning section, known as logic games, typically consists of 4 logic games, each involving between 4 to 7 multiple choice questions and requiring completion within 35 minutes. The analytical reasoning section tests the applicant's ability to understand the effects of rules on decisions and outcomes, determine relationships between concepts, analyze situations and draw conclusions based on set guidelines, and apply logic to ambiguous or complex situations. The experimental section can be any one of reading comprehension, analytical reasoning, or logical reasoning, yet as previously noted is unscored and does not form part of the applicant's LSAT score. Finally, the writing sample is a single unscored section that requires completion within 35 minutes. The writing sample tests the applicant's ability to form an argument based on given facts, support an argument, use written English to express an idea. Although unscored, it is submitted to the prospective law schools. However, the consensus is that it is rarely read as part of the law school admission process, though its availability should result in it not being discounted on the off chance that it is read in making a final determination as to the applicant. Thank you.